Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And last night I made a video about an ellipse in a blend. And we're just going to draw one real quick, just to let you know what we're talking about. And I went with a white. And then when I went to the blend tool, go from there to there, and it kind of blends it. And then give it like 200 blends. And you get a total different look. My number lock was unlocked. You get a totally different look. That's pretty cool. But they asked how you would do that with a star. Well, just hold down the control button to draw a perfect star and hit P. Do another one holding down the control button and hit P. That way it's in the center of that star. We're going to move that star out of the way for just a little bit. And like I did in the video last night, if you hold down your left mouse button, you get all different range of colors that you can pick from. I mean, just hold down the mouse button. Whoop. Hold down the mouse button, your left mouse button, and you could stream through all these other colors. Then just take your other star and hit P, put it in the center of the page, and turn it white. But we don't want white. And I'm going to take away the outline. Matter of fact, I'm going to take the outline away on both of them by right-clicking. But we want that star not to be perfectly white, so I'm going to hold down the control button, and I'm going to add a little bit of blue, just give it a blue tint. Then just grab your blend tool from your toolbar over here and go from about the center of that star downward. And you can change this to 200 blends. It doesn't really change it that much, but it's going to give it less lineage. There's almost a seamless pattern of lines. Now, you just need to make sure you don't go off, because when you go off, you're going to get a 3D looking star. That's pretty cool in itself. But you need to be in the center for that to work and look like the original. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.